Well, I'm gonna start with the class. Well, no, I'm gonna first let me call Jorge Luis. I wanna call him again. Let me wait. Well, the student, I don't know. Let me wait him for 2 minutes more. If she uh, if she doesn't answer my or she doesn't appear, so I'm gonna continue with the class, and I'm gonna do this class for 3 minutes, right? Let me wait. when I'm gonna start with the class because I think the student will not assist to this meeting. I'm gonna start, right? So I'm gonna share my screen right now, and I'm going to I'm gonna explain for 3 minutes about this classroom. The classroom is about jobs. That's the topic for today. And the tutor is Edwin Alban, and this is Chan 101. Let me put here the level of English because I forget to write it. Level B2 level. Let me see here. Okay, B2 level, and the topic for today is about job. This is Edwin Alban. I'm gonna start with the first page. The first page talk about the objective and recommendations for the class. So the objective talk about the student will be able to talk about their favorite job or the jobs they know, giving short description and personal opinions while practicing confidence and fluency in English. Recommendation: don't worry about miss every word you see is progress. If you can't pronounce a word well, don't worry about it because I'm here to guide to follow that script. And then be empathetic and respectful. The first page we have here is what job would be perfect, right? Would be perfect for you and why. So the student have to select one of these, or if the student know a job in their mind, or have a doubt about it, so he or she or them, she or he can tell whatever is convenient for him in this case. So what is the easiest job for you? That is the question. And most students say, no, I want to be a musician. Musician is my musician. To be a musician is an easy job for me. To be uh, English teacher is the easy job for me. To be engineer is the easy job for me. Whatever the student could think about it. So if they tell me, I could agree with that. So I would, and then I asked him, why is it easier for you? Because this job is so has no a lot of work to this job has no a lot of work to do, or maybe you mustn't do many things in this area, like administration, like in English, like a teacher, is maybe is kind of those things that the student would say, and then would say, what is the hardest job for you? The hardest job for me is engineering, because engineering is like uh, being have a logical mathematical mind, and I don't have it. I don't know how I don't know about physics. Physics for me is so very difficult to understand, because looking around and see what other thing happen around me is so difficult. What I think that is the hardest job for me, because I can understand very well. I have to learn a lot of formulas, and I don't know. I don't want to do that. And which job do you think pays the most? I would say that the most well-paid job for me is software engineering, doctor, uh, and many other things. What is the most dangerous job? Most people say the most dangerous job are firefighters or bricklayer, because firefighter, because you can die because you are like doing an activity related to put your body in a specific space with fire, burning fire, and you are like feeling like you are burning, and you can drown in the fire as well, because of the I don't know how to say. Uh, Let me see. I don't know how to say, but smoke. The smoking in the air, and bricklayer, because bricklayer is a difficult job, because you can get a backache, and you can have many other diseases related to this kind of uh, effort that you are giving to your body in order to do this kind of activities. And then what is the job you could never do? I would never do a bricklayer because I think it's so. If you have to do every day working, by working about doing this kind of activity, you can have a backache or you can develop many other diseases in your waist, in your in your waist, in your arms, and so many other parts of your body. So we have finished. I am gonna send this link to the students, and I'm gonna start right now with it. I'm gonna stop this recording right now, and I'm gonna leave.